To remove a sticky header in WordPress, specifically for websites that use fixed navigation, you typically need to disable or adjust the settings in either your theme or a plugin like WP Hide and Security Enhancer. Sticky headers allow the navigation bar to stay visible while scrolling, but if you prefer a static header that doesn't stay fixed, follow these steps. Identify the sticky header. Log into WordPress. Go to your website.com/wp-admin and log in. Open the customizer. Navigate to Appearance, Customize to open the WordPress theme customizer. Check header settings. Look for a header or navigation section, where many themes allow you to toggle the sticky or fixed navigation on or off. Disable sticky header in theme settings. Find sticky navigation option. In the theme customizer or theme settings, find the option labeled sticky header, fixed navigation or fixed header. Turn off sticky header. Disable this option to prevent the header from staying fixed at the top when scrolling. Remove sticky header via CSS. Access additional CSS. In the WordPress customizer, navigate to additional CSS. Remove sticky effect. Add this CSS code. Save changes. After making these adjustments, click Publish to save the changes.